Hey everybody, today in this video I'll show you how can you fix the Snapchat device ban on iPhones or Android devices. So follow carefully with me till the very end and let's jump right into it. First we need to get something out of the way. Go ahead and open Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're on, and go to Snapchat and make sure to update the app to the latest version for everything to work properly. Once you do that, go ahead and quit the store, and from here, if you're on an iPhone, go to Settings, then General, then open iPhone Storage. Go ahead and look for Snapchat from there, and then tap on Offload the app to offload it, and that should fix the problem. If you're on an Android, go ahead and long tap on the app and tap on App Info. This will take you to the app settings. From here, tap on Clear Data in the bottom right, then tap on Clear Cache, and then tap there again. From this menu that pops up, go ahead and tap on Delete. Now, if that doesn't fix your problem, you can go ahead and open Settings, search for Date, and open Date and Time. Now from here, turn on this toggle, and then turn this one off, and then turn or tap right here. Now change the region from your original one to any different one of your choice. It doesn't matter which one you choose. So I'm going to choose Australia. Once I do that, I need to reboot my device. So go ahead and turn off and then on your device. And after that, go back to the same place and switch to your original region. So I'm going to go back to my original region and quit from here and turn on this one and this one off. And that should fix the problem. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.